What's going on, everybody? Ian here with Miller Garage. It is a beautiful day here in Texas. About 75, sunny, perfect springtime weather in Texas, except for the fact that it's supposed to be thunderstorming in the middle of the night. So, if you guys haven't noticed, I'm wearing my super awesome shirt. This is the Ron Swanson shirt of greatness, which, if you are a fan of Parks and Rec and Ron Swanson, you'll get it. If not, go watch it because it's fantastic. So, obviously, in the thumbnail, no, I did not get a C8 Corvette, but we had one at the dealership, and I need one. Like, it's not a want, it's definitely a need. But they are unbelievable. Mid-engine now, V8. It looks, exotic supercar now. And I've seen pictures, loved it in pictures. I've always been a fan of Corvettes, but seeing one in person, the pictures do not do it justice. They are ridiculous. They're amazing. So someday, hopefully, not whenever I'm like 90, hopefully before that. But I did get a new vehicle, and we're going to talk about it, and I'm excited about it. It's not like quite as exciting as the C8 Corvette, but it's pretty cool. So, all right, so here is my new truck, and it is a little windy, so the audio may not be spectacular, but there's the polar bear, and then here it is. It is a 2019 F-150, and it's got the 5-liter and 4x4 FX4. And for those of you that don't know, I work at a Ford dealership, and so obviously I have to drive a Ford. It's required by law. I had been driving our old minivan, and as awesome as that was and as fun as it is to drive a minivan, but it had 100,000 miles, and it was getting to where, it was getting old. It was getting to be that time. So I started looking at vehicles, and I just didn't want to pull the trigger yet on something. I just didn't want to spend that and to have another payment because the van was paid off. But with everything that was going on, Ford brought out like ridiculous rebates and financing offers and all that kind of stuff. And so it just made sense to do it. And normally I'm not one to advocate any sort of getting into debt, but with the jobs that we have coming in and all that kind of stuff, we'll have the other van paid off in like a month. We've only had it for like 6 months, so that's ridiculous. And so it, like I said, it made sense, and I was able to get it with my pricing, with the rebates and all of that, and with it being a service loaner, so it's got like 2,000 miles on it, for $13,000 off MSRP at 0%. So it ended up being $34,000 for a brand new, basically, F-150 with a 5-liter V8 and 4x4. Like, can't pass that up. So that's really exciting. I don't want to get into too much detail about it, just because, it's not anything like crazy amazing. I mean, I like it. It's great. I've already used it a ton, but there's no sense in like doing it, an in-depth walk around and all that kind of stuff. So I'm going to walk back over to the shop, and we're going to talk a little bit more in there because there's some cool stuff. So we're going to do that. Pro tip though, if you wait till the end of the video, I have a clip of me starting and revving the C8 Corvette. So you wanna watch the whole thing to see that at the end, because it's epic. Okay, we're in the shop. So, exciting news. The Salon Airstream is complete. It is ready to go. I am doing the photos and videos and everything tomorrow, so that video is going to be coming soon with the full reveal of everything. I wasn't able to get, obviously, everything with it because life, etc. But I'm going to show all the details. I'm going to probably do 2 videos. I'm going to have kind of like a brief overview, one where more just kind of it's more visual and just music and cool, maybe a little bit of talking, and then one that's kind of like the more in-depth. It'll be maybe like 30 minutes versus like a 5-minute one, so that, people that want to see it but don't want to sit through me going through everything they can enjoy that one. So that's coming up, and I have had. It's been crazy. Like, honestly, I was kind of thinking that with everything, with the pandemic and everything going on, that things were going to slow down, that people weren't going to be as interested in getting their trailers worked on and all that kind of stuff. But I've had more inquiries in the past month than like ever before in total. So it's been insane, and I'm still like even trying to reach out to people and but I just have. So that being said, I have as of right now 4 projects. That's 3, 4. I'm not an accountant. We've already gone over this. 4 projects that are happening that are inbound. One of them is going to be here in like a week and a half on a Monday. It's coming in, and then I'm going to have another one a little bit later after that. And then one of them is going to be more of a long-term thing that's probably going to be over a year and a half, 2 years. And then another one that's kind of also a long-term thing, and it's going to be kind of a cool deal. I'm not going to get into that, but I'm really excited about this. So, because it's kind of going to be 2 projects. So, but we'll go over that later. So we have some more projects coming. So with that, my goal for this next year is to get organized, to get intentional about my business and my online presence. And so I want to be creating a lot more content. I'm going to probably aim to do 2 videos a week. I want to do something that's more kind of vlog based like this one, and then one that's more instructional. So I want you guys to comment below what you want to hear, what how-to videos you want to see, questions you have regarding Airstreams. I'm also going to be doing other stuff. Like in between, I'm going to be working on the Series Land Rover that I have. It's over on the other side of this. That's why I'm pointing. I'm not crazy. Well, I mean, that's debatable. But so that I'm going to be working on that as well. And I'm excited about that. And if you didn't see the video where I talked about that, you can go back and look at that, because that thing is really cool and I'm really excited. So, so all these projects. So let me know in the comments below what you want to see, what you want to learn, what you want to hear. I want to try to help you guys out that way, because I know that a lot of people ask me questions, and it's hard to be able to respond to everybody. I try. I'm going to get on that as well this next week. I'm actually going to be starting vacation tomorrow, because tomorrow's Friday. So at the end of the day, I'm taking a week off from the dealership, taking a week off from everything Airstream related. I'm going to kind of clean the shop a little bit, and obviously the people are going to be picking this up next week, so that's going to be just an intermittent little thing. But other than that, I'm going to rest. It's Mother's Day. It is Lauren's birthday the next weekend, and so we are going to be celebrating. We're going to be doing family time and just having a blast. I'm super excited. I took 2 weeks off whenever Finley came, but that was not really restful, because I was working on the Airstream and newborn and all of that. So that's what's going on. So like I said, leave a comment below. Let me know what you want to know. Like the video. Please subscribe to my channel. I want to be helping people. I want to be growing this. I'm really excited about the next year and everything, and I so appreciate everybody who is commenting, that's leaving the nice comments. If you leave the bad comments, hey, that's cool too, because it helps with SEO, so whatever. But we don't get very many bad comments. I appreciate it. But I appreciate all that. Subscribe, like, and we will see you next week. Look, it's a giant mirror. My shirt is so awesome. There's a Land Rover, but this is actually an Airstream. Okay. You good? Yeah.